Para siyang balls na sinusok. Ano ba yun? Yung bang... Hello guys! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am back again for another haul video and this time it is Korean skincare na mga products, of course. And I got majority of these products sa Shopee except for one kasi bigay lang siya sa akin. And you know what? I'm really excited to show it all to you. By the way, I love shopping sa Shopee because mura lang sa Shopee. It's convenient, cash on delivery, and then 500 pesos lang free shipping ka na. It's not really free shipping kasi may bayad pa na 5 pesos, 10 pesos, but hello, it's just 5 or 10 pesos, diba? So, yeah. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and start with this video. Okay, first product I'm going to show you. This is already a repurchase, and that is the Etude House Wonder Pore Freshener. Actually, this one is unplanned. I got this sa kasama ko sa work, si Faith. Faith din yung pangalan niya. Binili niya kasi ito and then mga 1 or 2 times niya lang nagamit and she thinks na hindi ito hiyang sa kanya. So, binenta niya sa akin for 500 pesos. So, yeah. I love this. Nakaubos na ako ng isang bottle nito. Actually, I really want to try the Claire's toner, yung sikat na sikat. Nakalimutan ko ano yung pangalan, but that one, since I got this for 500 pesos lang and the Claire's is expensive, it's like 1,000 pesos. So, ito na lang ako, diba? So, Faye, thank you so much for selling it to me. So, again, that is the Etude House Wonder Pore Freshener. It has 10 benefits. I actually really like this toner. So, okay din na binili ko siya. It has 10 benefits. First, balance skin's ideal pH level, refine skin texture, keep the elasticity of pores, remove skin surfaces, dead skin cells, cares pore with cooling effect, deep cares pores, minimize appearance of pores, control a large amount of sebum, moisturize inside and outside of skin, complete smooth glass-like texture. So, ang dami-dami niyang claims, and you know what? Maganda siya. Promise. Maganda siya. So, I got this for 500 pesos lang kay Faith. Yung dati, nabili ko yon ng, I think I got that one for 700 pesos or 650 pesos, ganon. Okay, next product. These are from Cosrx. Majority of these products are from Cosrx, ha. And Cosrx brand, I really want to try them for a long time. Pero, dati kasi more on makeups ako. I invest on makeups. And hindi gaano sa skincare. But ever since I filmed that video na mixed makeup challenge with my high school best friend, si Liza, she told me na I should invest in skincare kasi ang kinis niya kasi. And then I asked her kung ano yung ginagamit niya. And you know what? Very, very low maintenance in skincare niya and ang kinis niya. Tapos, ayun, nagsuggest siya sa akin na dapat daw mas mag-invest ako sa skincare products than on makeups, diba? So again, these are from Cosrx. And the first Cosrx product is this one. So hindi niya siya super klaro, but it's like this, oh. Actually, majority of these products, they arrived last week pa, but I waited for some products to arrive, like 2 products, and it just arrived today. And as in, kailangan ko na talaga i-film para magamit ko na tong mga products na ito. Kasi I want to film it first before I can use it. Parang ganon. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. I'm going to review this one. Open ko nga. And that is what it looks like. Para siyang balls. Ayan siya, balls. Tapos ipapasok mo dito yung kamay mo and then you will start cleaning out the areas of your face na may blackheads. Kasi this is the Cosrx Blackhead Silk Finger Ball. So made with 100% natural cocoons, this eco-friendly hypoallergenic finger ball helps exfoliate dead skin cells and blackheads around the nose and mouth area. So, ang gamit pala nito is dito, around the nose and lip area. Kasi diba, minsan hindi na talaga na-reach itong part na ito. I have blackheads in this area and on my mouth area, tapos dito din. So, I'm really excited to try this out. I hope this works kasi mura lang to, guys. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 silk finger balls inside. Next product is a repurchase, and that is the Cosrx Acne Pimple Master Patch. Actually, I still have one that's open. And, you know what? I got another one kasi I've been breaking out like cystic pimples. And yung cystic pimple ko dito, medyo lumiit na siya. So, sana palit na talaga siya, no? Para hanggang sa mawala na siya kasi it's so stressful. So, I got myself another Acne Pimple Master Patch. So, parang ano siya, backup ko. Another product from Cosrx, and this is the Centella or Centella Blemish cream. I have the ordinary salicylic acid, and you know what? That product is amazing. It helped my pimple to decrease in size. But I really want to try this out kasi I read a lot of good reviews about this one. And it's from Cosrx, and it's a Korean product. So I think maghihiyang to sa akin. I need a lot of skincare that focuses on acne-fighting products, yung mga ganun. Kasi I have acne-prone skin. So sad, but that's the reality. So I got myself this one. It's a blemish cream. Ang sabi kasi dito, this highly concentrated spot cream helps lighten post-blemish marks, which I have like here. I think that's the thing na wala doon sa salicylic acid by the ordinary kasi hindi siya nakakatanggal ng pimple scars. But this one, ang sabi kasi dito, helps lighten post-blemish marks. Yung andito ko, mga marks na lang kasi yun. And then dito, mga scars lang talaga siya. As in, patay na siya na pimple. So, I need this one to lighten those parts. So, post-blemish marks, treating sensitive, stressed out skin. So, hindi siya buong face. As in, spot treatment lang talaga siya. So, I'm excited to try this out. Another products from Cosrx, of course, these are 2 cleansers. And that is the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Ayan siya. It's 150 ml. And then the next one is this one, the Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. These 2 I got because ang dami-daming good reviews nito, no? As in, super. I think it was sis literally Aiko who recommended this to me. And this one is It's Angelica Garcia here in YouTube. And this is on her favorites video. And I'm really happy na she said nice things about this product kasi kakabili ko pa nga lang, diba? And nasa favorites video niya na. So, as in, like, I'm excited to try these 2 out. Okay, so the claim of this cleanser is formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. So yeah, from the name itself, I'm only going to use this every morning. Next, this one, the Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. So when I bought this, like, hindi ako nag-worry na baka hindi ako mahiyang dito kasi nag-work naman sa akin yung salicylic acid ng The Ordinary, so I guessed this will work on me too. So this is formulated with botanical ingredients and 0.5% salicylic acid. This cleanser gently removes impurities and excess sebum. So yung salicylic acid, I think that's 1% sa The Ordinary. Kunin ko ha. And this is the salicylic acid ng The Ordinary. So the salicylic acid here is 2%, while on this cleanser it's only 0.5%. So it's more potent than this one. During the day, I put this like spot treatment lang on my pimples, but at night, I spread it all over my face. Ganun. Okay, another product that I got is the Mizon. Is it Mizon or Mizon? I don't know. Yung mga snail repair ngayon ng mga creams, it's very trendy, it's famous. Actually, I have tried the Mizon Snail Repair Eye Cream. Hindi ko binili muna yung eye cream kasi I still have my snail repair cream from other brands. And hindi pa siya naubos, so hindi ko pa muna yun binili. So, I got this instead. Kasi wala ako yung cream na... Wala kasi akong moisturizer na cream. Yung meron lang sa akin, I think it's a serum or it's an essence. I don't know what's the difference. And this, of course, I've been repurchasing this over and over again every time na nauubusan na ako. Like, if malapit ang maubos, bili ako agad, order ako agad. Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Of course, no need to explain this. This is my holy grail. And then another Korean skincare product. Ito yung sinabi ko na bigay lang sa akin. Oh, and that is the Misha... What do you call this? The Misha Time Revolution White Cure. So this is a special gift set, and so it comes in a box. Ang laki ng box, no? And inside, ayan siya. I don't know how much this costs, but thank you so much to the teacher who gave this to us. Actually, hindi sa akin to binigay, sa mama ko, but then yung mama ko hindi siya gumagamit ng ganito, so I got it. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya, guys, diba? So, there's 2 toners. So, 1 travel size and 1 full size. And then, another one is a lotion. I think it's a facial lotion. Lotion yung tawag nila, no? So, facial lotion siguro to. A full size and a travel size. That is what I like about this kind of sets. Yung mga gift sets. And 30 ml yung travel size, which is nice. Kasi marami na din yun. And then, 150 ml ata tong full size. Yeah. So, ayan lang guys, ang aking Korean skincare products na meron. And I'm excited to try everything out. Finally, I can try this out na kasi na-film ko na to. So, ayun na guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video. Please click the thumbs up button and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And before you leave, please don't forget to hit that bell button beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified for my future uploads. That's it for today's video, guys, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! God bless everyone! Mwah!